everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, now today we will do chapter number 15, that is our beautiful states of India. We all know that India is a big country with many different places, people and languages, and to make it easy to manage, India is divided into how many states? 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state has its own capital and language, food as well as the festival, but still we all are united together to form one democratic country, that is our India. So here we have certain states, then their capital along with what they are famous for. So let's now have a quick look at them. Let's have a quick look at the first state, and that is Punjab. And what is the capital of Punjab? It is Chandigarh. What it is famous for? Punjab is famous for Golden Temple. Then next we have Rajasthan. Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur and it is famous for desert and palaces. Third we have Gujarat and the capital is Gandhinagar. What is the famous for? It is famous for Garba dance and the girl lions. Fourth we have Maharashtra. The capital is Mumbai and it is famous for its Bollywood and gateway of India. Then next, that is the fifth one, we have West Bengal and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. It is famous for Rasgulla and Howrah Bridge. Then we have the next one, Tamil Nadu, and the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. This is famous for classical music and its various temples. The next is Kerala. Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. I repeat, the capital is Thiruvananthapuram and it is famous for its coconut trees and the backwaters. Then the next is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow and it is famous for Taj Mahal and its kebabs. Then the second last is Bihar. Bihar's capital is Patna and this is famous for its ancient Nalanda University. The last one given over here is Assam and its capital is Dispur. This is famous for tea gardens and the rhinos. So this was all about the various states, their capitals along with the things for which they are famous. Let's now move on. Now on the next page they have given you an activity time and you have to solve this activity. Children, this activity for you all people and you all will do this activity on your own. I hope you will like this activity. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.